Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the keyboard shortcuts on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and learn the keyboard shortcuts with ClickUp so that you can easily access and switch between tabs. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon. Then from here, you're going to click on where it says keyboard shortcuts. So what this is going to show you is all the global navigation, task, inbox, or document shortcuts that ClickUp has to offer. So with these keyboard shortcuts, it should make your time with ClickUp a lot more efficient, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your keyboard shortcuts on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.